Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an awesome way in which small local businesses can get more customers and clients to their business by using Instagram. Now, what's the first step? The first step is just to click on the search icon on Instagram. So do that. Step number 2, head over to the search and go to places. Now my location is disabled, but I can still search for other people's locations. So I'm going to search for Stockholm in Sweden. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right because I'm not Swedish, but I tried my best. So let's just search for that quickly. There we go, Stockholm. So here we go. These are the top people, so the most liked people from Instagram. But if you scroll down further, these are the most recent. So say for example you have a bakery and you're in Stockholm. I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I actually pronounced this right or not. And this person has recently checked in to that exact area 57 seconds ago, okay? So you know that they're at Stockholm right now. So all you want to do is send them a direct message by going to follow and then message, okay? And then just send a message saying, hey, I've seen that you've recently been in Stockholm or wherever it is nearer to your area. And basically say, if you come to my bakery, I'll give you a free cake. And you want to do this for about 50 to 100 people each month until your business has started growing, as this will really help you grow your business. And then once these people have done it, 1 in say 10 of those people will also put a post on their account. More people will then see your company, okay? And if people say that have seen the post which you have given a free cake to, if they've seen that post, they're likely to also go, oh, a nice cake. And if they're in the local area, they might pop in too. So it's quite an easy thing to do. It's quite simple. Say for example, I own a bakery, okay? So I'm on the home page. I'm going to go to search and I'm going to click search, go to places, not tags, not people, not top, not any of that. I'm going to go straight to places and I'm going to search for a place. So I'm going to go for, let me think, Danbury. Okay, so let me just type it in. Let me have a look. Danbury, Essex. Here we go. That's not where I live, but it's quite close to where I live. So I'm going to go to recent posts. As you can see down here, these are all the recent posts. Now, as you can see, these are all really recent, okay? So I'm going to have a look for one which looks like they might want to be a possible customer. So let's have a look. This one here of a little dog, okay? So the owner of that, follow them, send them a direct message, and then ask them, send them a direct message and ask them if they would like a free cake. And it looks like they post a lot, that particular account, okay? They've got 67 posts, so then they may do a post to people local to them saying that they like your food and that they're local to them. So they might even come back themselves for another time and want to buy something. So yeah, you don't even have to give out a free cake. It's just a really good way to make people be happy about your company that are local to you. So this particular video is focused on local businesses, small local businesses that want to use Instagram to grow. So it's quite simple, it's quite easy. Just install the app and post images of your food if you are a bakery, and obviously tag your location. So that's quite easy and very important. And then people also in the location will see that you're a bakery close to them. This is a really important thing to do if you are a local business. Say for example you change tires. Have a look for an account which is in the local place to where you change your tires. Send them a message, say you'll give them a discount if they want new tires. So, okay, so it's really simple, just like that. Just send private messages to people and then they may want to come and have a look at your business if they ever need to or want to. So it's simple as that. That's all I've got to say for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, hopefully you learned a lot, and hopefully you do some of these tips I've just told you about. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.